Okay, so I'm currently outside with two weather band antennas. One of them is this J-pole mounted on a camera tripod, but it's just what I have to work with out here right now. And the other is a small Yagi-Uda array, just built out of scrap materials just to test and see what it can do. So, I wanted to make a video comparing the two. The J-pole is an omnidirectional antenna, which means it can receive any signal from any direction. And in my area, there are a lot of cases where the same channel has multiple stations that are roughly equidistant from my location. So, on the J-pole, you might notice some interference between those multiple stations on the same channel. But also, it's just an incredible receiving antenna compared to something like the built-in telescopic rod here. So first, let's do a band scan with the rod sitting here fully extended. And let's see how that sounds. Whoops. Alright, channel select, here we go.
To 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%.
That's KC80.
Here are the noon weather observations from around the area.
That's WXJ53.
It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees. Dew point.
There's KXI22 with interference from WXJ31. Not much at all there. There's a little bit of a hint of KXID1, but nothing much there.
It was 76. Wind west at 10. At Columbus, it was cloudy.
We can definitely hear WWH23. And it's possible to tell there's something on this channel, but you can't really tell what it is. Okay, so let's plug in the J-pole.
This afternoon and evening.
Actually, first I'll
Primary threats will be frequent lightning,
lay down
gusty
the
winds,
telescopic
and
antenna here.
rainfall. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday
So now let's
through
plug in the
Tuesday.
J-pole.
A flood watch is in effect for portions of central Georgia and the Atlanta metro from Thursday morning until early Saturday. Several rounds of
That
heavy
definitely sounds better.
at 10. Elsewhere across the region, at Chattanooga,
And that's
it
quite
was
clear.
mostly sunny. Outlook is for north and central Georgia. For today and tonight,
Notice the interference from WXJ31's been cleared up, and that's just because this antenna is receiving KXI22 so strongly.
primary threats will be frequent lightning.
Still nothing on channel 4.
Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%.
A little better reception on KXID1.
Flash flooding and some riverine flooding will be possible Thursday and Friday. Daily thunderstorm chances.
And definitely better reception on WWH23.
Several rounds of heavy rainfall will be possible Thursday and Friday. Widespread rainfall.
And it now becomes possible to hear a voice on channel 1 over the interference, and that's most likely WXK52. Alright, so now I'm going to unplug the cable from the J-pole, and I'm going to move the J-pole away and bring back the Yagi. Alright, and I've also raised the camera so we can get a bit of a better view of what's going on. It's harder to see this screen, but I'll call out what channel it's on. So here's the Yagi. Really hard to get that all in frame, but it's over here. So now let's go back to channel 7 and plug it in.
Becoming mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers this morning. A slight chance of thunderstorms.
I can hear another station on there. I'm going to rotate the Yagi to see if I can pinpoint the best signal on KC80.
Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a
That sounds very strong right there.
lows in the lower 70s.
So let's see what else is on this
Southwest
channel.
winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. 70.
Okay, so we can now hear multiple stations on the same channel. I'm not really sure what that other one was on channel 7 just now. Could have been either WXJ21 or WXK48. I'm not really sure. But it sounded kind of like WXK48. Yeah, now that I think about it... Actually, no. That must have been WXJ21 because I had the antenna pointing kind of that way, and that's, I think, kind of northeast of my location. Alright, so let's try channel 6 now.
Sunny at 82, wind west at 5. At Canyon, it was mostly sunny and 80, wind west at 6. Elsewhere across Georgia,
Quite
at
clear.
Athens, it was partly
Let's see
sunny
if there's
at
anything else on the
78,
same channel.
wind southwest at 6. At Lawrenceville, it was partly sunny and 75, wind southwest at 9. At Atlanta,
Nope, not
it
really
was
hearing
partly
anything.
sunny and 79, wind west at 9. At Rome, it was mostly sunny and 78, wind
here we go.
variable at
Hold on.
6. At Augusta, with light rain and fog, it was 73, wind west at 3. At Macon, with light rain, it was 76, wind west at 10. Elsewhere across the region,
I can hear something, but I'm
it
not
was
really able to
mostly sunny
get it
and
locked in.
79, wind southeast at 9.
Alright, let's try channel 5.
Watch is in effect for portions of central Georgia and the Atlanta metro from Thursday morning until early Saturday. West at 8, pressure was 29.93 inches and steady.
There's another station.
Elsewhere across Georgia and Columbus, it was cloudy and 78.
That would be WXJ31 with very clear signal for a second there. And KXI22 on the rest of channel 5.
Daily thunderstorm chances will continue through most of next week. A few storms could become strong to severe and bring the risk for
And that
heavy
signal sounds
rainfall,
very strong and clear.
and frequent
Now
lightning.
let's try channel 4.
Storms in the evening. Partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%.
Now that's nothing like the main stations on channels 5, 6, and 7, but that is very clear, especially considering the J-pole couldn't even bring anything in on channel 4. That's KIH58.
Night.
Okay, let's try channel 3.
Showers with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then showers likely after midnight. 60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%.
If I can find where it's coming from here.
Forecast.
Oh, hold on.
Sunny with a chance of showers. Chance of thunderstorms. Then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Mid-80s.
I even heard a hint of something else there for a second. That must have been KXI76, probably.
Saturday, sunny. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Alright, so that's a bit clearer on KX81.
Chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s.
Now let's go to channel 2.
Highs in the mid-80s. Lows in the upper 60s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. The upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
No, it sounds very clear.
Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s.
And lastly, let's try channel 1.
Monday night. For more detailed flight, workshop, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta.
We have one station,
The current
very
time
strongly.
is 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the new weather observations from around the area. The report from Dalton was not available.
Okay, so that is
At Rome, it
WXK52.
was mostly sunny
Now let's
and
rotate the
70.
antenna.
Wind variable at 60. At Ellerton, it was cloudy and 23, wind variable at 6. at 6. At Athens,
there's
it was
better
partly
signal on it.
sunny and 70. West at 6. It was partly sunny and windy. It was cloudy and 70. A cool not me. It was mostly sunny and 79. Wind southeast at 9. At Nashville, it was mostly sunny and 81. Wind
Okay,
south
I'm
at
not really able to get WXK56 right now, but I have been in this spot in the past. So anyway, as you could hear, this antenna is able to lock in very clearly just about any station on any channel, at least under the right conditions. And of course, depending on how I orient the antenna. So it's not quite as useful for monitoring multiple stations as an omnidirectional antenna, but it is much more useful for monitoring distant stations.